Subaru Forester has a very strange clunking sound when hitting bumps or swerving hard left or right. I can't really see anything wrong in the suspension. However, I can feel it's coming from the center of the car on the right side. And so far, I ran across this, which could be the issue. These bolts on the transmission mount are not tight. See this big gap? And compared to this side, it's totally tight. That could be causing that noise. I'm gonna have to tighten those bolts up and then take it for a test drive again.